Sit. Stay. Saluda. Paw. Other paw. Good girl. Come on, I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and back it up real quick. And I'm also gonna show you how it really looks now that we got better lighting. Once I back it up, you can actually see how the car actually looks. It's been a while since I turned on the car, so. One of the main problems with these cars are the glove compartment. Always breaking. This one's been broken since I've got it, and I need to go see if I can get a replacement for that, or maybe I can go to junkyard and try to fix this one. I don't know. So I mean, it's in good condition. It's just obviously I guess the bottom pieces are broken. And then another problem with these cars is the freaking cup holders. See, this one's still there, but I don't know what's missing with it. I think it's supposed to be attached somehow. I've never messed with it, but pretty much when you pop it open like this, it should pop up like that. I mean, I use it from time to time. I just kind of open it, put a drink in there, and then it'll stay. But you know, I kind of want it to be really more secure. And then another thing is, whenever I installed the side mirror, I know that for sure, I had to take off this whole trim just to take off pretty much to get to this plastic on the other end. But obviously, like this is a CX model, so it doesn't come with that side mirror didn't come with it. I had actually purchased that from rockauto.com. I ordered it with the visors, and in order to get to it and remove it, I had to remove the door panel. And whenever I did that, you have to remove this right here to lower down the window, the handle, and there's this little clip inside here. And I had put it on the dash, and when I put it in the dash, it kind of fell through. You can kind of see there's like a vent all the way back there. It fell through the back of the vent, and it's stuck in there now. So now every once in a while somebody will close the door and this freaking handle just comes out. Well, it's not wanting to come out now, but it usually comes out. Yeah, there you go. See, it usually comes out, and it's just really annoying. So I need to go to a junkyard and get that. Try to get that fixed. The glove compartment. This, maybe. If not, I might just swap it out for something else. And then, I don't know if you can hear, but I have an exhaust leak. I had one whenever I purchased the car. I had an exhaust leak, and it was really tiny, like really tiny little hole. And you know, since I've had it, pretty much it's gotten worse. There's one right here, and then there's that big ass slit right there. That's what's making all the noise right now. It's, some people tell me it doesn't sound bad, and they think I've installed like a catback on the car. But I haven't. But I'm just used to this car being so damn quiet that you can't hear anything. I kind of dig it. I think it looks pretty good. I think the tinted windows, or slight tinted windows, kind of help it all match. The color with the spoiler, and then that right there. The rest of the black trim pieces. I don't know. I kind of like it. What do you guys think? See if it actually works. real reason, not for the looks. That's just kind of plus, just to see if we get any water inside. And these droplets right here are from when I opened the door, so that's not water coming in from opening the window right now. Well, I think they're doing its job. But there's also not that much rain going on right now. There's barely sprinkles, you know, falling down. Yeah, there's not much. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not really raining down. I wanted to do it while it was pouring and see if they worked. But so far there's nothing coming in. I might have to take it on the highway and see if these things stick as well. They seem pretty sturdy. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Sorry, my dog's over here trying to play, and I'm trying to close this video out. What are you doing? That's your tail, dummy. Marley, sit. Stay. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you haven't already subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you did. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead, and if I don't end up going to the track today, hopefully sometime this week, I'm gonna end up doing a car review on a buddy's car. So stay tuned for that video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.